A desert is primarily defined as an arid region where the ground is entirely covered by sand, vegetation is sparse, rainfall is scarce, and the air is dry. Deserts, also known as sand seas, are areas of barrenness characterized by a lack of water and vegetation. Desert terrain mainly consists of dunes or sand beaches, with occasional rocky outcrops. Some deserts are salt flats devoid of any vegetation. Typically, deserts are formed by wind erosion. Valuable mineral deposits are sometimes found in deserts, and significant oil reserves have been discovered in modern times. Deserts are sparsely populated, making resource exploitation relatively easy. The dry climate of deserts also makes them ideal habitats for archaeologists, where human artifacts and ancient fossils can be found. The main reason for the low and sparse vegetation in desert environments is the arid and water-deficient climate. In reality, deserts are not lacking in soil. Sandy soil is a type of soil. Scientific research has long proven that only land affected by climate change or human activities can undergo desertification and thus require treatment. Treatment methods are not limited to tree planting. Still, they should involve a combination of afforestation and grass planting, tailored to the characteristics of desertification in different regions and the treatment difficulty. Arid regions are characterized by vast expanses of desert and barren land, with annual precipitation of less than 200 millimeters, making it impossible for large numbers of trees to grow solely relying on natural rainfall. To effectively combat desertification, conducting in-depth studies on the desertification conditions in various regions and implementing tailored strategies based on local conditions is necessary. Desertification management should be based on the principle of greening according to water availability, meaning that restored vegetation should not exceed the local water resources carrying capacity. For natural deserts and barren lands, maintaining their original state and the integrity of their ecosystems, allowing the flora and fauna to thrive undisturbed, is the best option. The principle of scientific prevention and control of desertification should always be followed. The practice of afforestation is advocated because of its significant importance in climate regulation, ecological protection, and reduction of atmospheric pollution. 1. Wind and sand control to prevent desert expansion. Trees help to stabilize dunes and reduce wind speed by 20% to 30%, effectively resisting wind and sand erosion. 2. Ecological protection and environmental beautification. Trees control soil erosion, increase soil water retention capacity, improve the ecological environment, and reduce losses from floods and other natural disasters. Trees also absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, enhancing the environment's beauty. 3. Air purification and noise reduction. Trees have natural antibacterial properties, purifying the air by killing pathogens. They absorb dust and carbon dioxide while releasing oxygen. A forested area can reduce noise levels by 5 to 40 decibels. 4. Economic benefits. Afforestation creates employment opportunities, provides fruits, medicinal herbs, tea, rubber, etc., and protects roads in desert areas. For example, afforestation protects the Tarim Highway in China, facilitating oil extraction and transportation. Every tree seedling is as precious as gold. Gratitude to all the desert tree planters who fend off the yellow sands.